The Enneagram is a personality typing system that taps into our motivations behind why we do things. In this video, I'll be sharing all the motivations behind the 9 Enneagram types. I'm Christelle from the Better Adult Project, and I'm on a journey to learn all about the Enneagram in the hopes of using it to grow as a person. A few years ago, I discovered this quote that really resonated with me. The only way the world's going to change is if we appreciate what's driving other people. Now, I have no idea where I read it, or heard it, or who said it. I googled it, and yep, nothing. Let me know if you give it a Google and have better luck. The Enneagram helps us to become more aware about what's driving us, but also what's driving other people, so we can understand them more. Each Enneagram type has their own motivations, a core desire and a core fear, and these are really two sides of the same coin. What people most desire is what they most fear to be without. You may resonate with many of the core desires and fears, but generally there will be one type's core motivations that really jump out at you. So here's the motivations of the Enneagram types. The descriptions I've included following the core desire and fear are from the book The Enneagram Made Easy. If you're an Enneagram beginner, I'd recommend checking it out. 1. The Perfectionist. Their core desire is to be good or right, and their core fear is to be bad or wrong. Ones are motivated by the need to live their life the right way, including improving themselves and the world around them. 2. The Helper. The 2's core desire is to be loved or wanted, and their core fear is being unloved or unworthy of being loved. 2's are motivated by the need to be loved and valued and to express their positive feelings toward others. 3. The Achiever. Their core desire is to feel valuable and worthwhile, and their core fear is to be worthless. 3's are motivated by the need to be productive, to achieve success and avoid failure. 4. The Romantic. The 4's core desire is to be authentic and uniquely themselves. Their core fear is having no identity or personal significance. 4's are motivated by the need to experience their feelings and to be understood, to search for the meaning of life and to avoid being ordinary. 5. The Investigator. The 5's core desire is to be capable and competent. Their core fear is to be useless, helpless, or incapable. 5's are motivated by the need to know and understand everything, to be self-sufficient, and to avoid looking foolish. Are you liking this video? You can hit the like button if you like. 6. The Loyalist. The 6's core desire is to have security and support, and their core fear is to be without support and guidance. 6's are motivated by the need for security, to feel supported by others, and to have reassurance. 7. The Adventurer. Their core desire is to be satisfied and content and to have their needs fulfilled. Their core fear is being deprived or trapped. 7's are motivated by the need to be happy and to plan enjoyable activities, to contribute to the world and to avoid suffering and pain. 8. The Challenger. Their core desire is to be in control of their life and destiny, and their core fear is that of being controlled or harmed. 8's are motivated by the need to be self-reliant and strong, and to avoid feeling weak or dependent. 9. The Peacemaker. The 9's core desire is to have inner stability and peace of mind. Their core fear is being separated and losing connection with others. 9's are motivated by the need to keep the peace, to merge with others, and to avoid conflict. There you have it, the 9 types and their core motivations. Subscribe and check out this video about Enneagram arrows.